Good evening everyone. It's 3:47 right now. The markets have already closed. Today was a bearish day and let's see how the indicator performed for today 7th of March. As you can see, this is a 5-minute Nifty chart. Whenever we trade on index, the time frame is 5 minutes. So here after the markets, there was a gap down in the market. And then we got a buy signal here, but unfortunately there was a small stop loss. Again we got a sell signal here and we were able to recover our loss over here. Let me also tell you, even if we didn't get this signal, no need to worry, because overall if our money management is correct, risk and reward is correct, we will win. So we have already gained, we didn't make any loss for today. Let's check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, again we got a buy signal here and there was a marginal stop loss, just a marginal stop loss. Again there was a sell signal, we got a sell signal here, and as you can see we recovered the losses from our first trade, and this is after 3, so we do not consider any trades after 2 o'clock. Now let's check out some stocks. Let's see Asian Paints. For stocks, we use a 3-minute time frame. Now Asian Paints, yes, Asian Paints, we got a buy signal here, but no trade happened. Why? Because the closing price of the next candle was not higher from the signal candle, so no trade happened here. Again we got a sell signal, no trade happened here, same. And then we got a signal here, though it went up, but we will not consider as we do not enter into any trade after 2 o'clock. Next is ACC. ACC, we got a sell signal here in the morning itself, but since the stop loss was so high, so we didn't enter into this trade. Then again we got a buy signal here on this levels, and there was a small profit. Next is M&M. M&M, no signal here. We got a buy signal, but we didn't enter into this trade as it was after 2 o'clock. Then we have SBI. For SBI also we got a first buy signal here and we entered on this candle, but there was again a small stop loss, and then again we got a sell signal and we recovered our loss in this signal. So if we make profit in the first signal, then we do not enter into any trade on the second signal. If we are in loss on the first signal, then only we will trade on the second signal. Let's see Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's, again we got a sell signal here, but again a big stop loss, so we didn't trade. Maybe some people have traded, so we will not consider that. Then we got a buy signal here at 11.9 and the trade happened on this candle, and okay, a small profit for the day. And again we have a sell signal, it is after 2 o'clock, both the signals, so we will not consider. Then we have Grasim. Let's see Grasim, we have a buy signal here, the trade executed here, a small profit, okay, not a small profit. Again we got a sell signal here and our buy went to cost. Then we have Reliance. Reliance, we have a buy signal here, and here again we got a sell signal which hit our stop loss. Not to worry, again in the second signal we recovered our losses. Let's see one more stock. This is Titan. Titan, we have got a buy signal here, the trade executed in this candle. Remember, if the closing price of the next candle is not greater than the signal candle, we can trade up to maximum 4 to 5 candles. So here, and okay, a decent profit, and again a sell signal here, though it gave us return, but we will not consider as as I told you that we do not enter into any signal if we are in profit from the first signal. So that was all for today. Hope you had a profitable session. This indicator works on free TradingView chart. You can use this in your mobile as well as on your desktop. You do not require any premium account for this. This indicator works on all market type, whether equity, bank nifty, currency, commodity, forex. And along with the indicator, you will also get our strategy videos, how to trade, how to put the targets, where to put stop loss, when to enter, when not to enter. All these things you will get. And in case you have any queries, you can message us. So that was all for today. Thank you very much for watching.